Ajikali ekta disturbing khobor Kifri Milori district bra ulagena peaceful environment disturb kri thaka report ti Luluri Aromi mi bosti macheti dispute ulagena Naga Deliwachers Luluri bosti manukhan ki ambush attack kri disha aro kunba tu iman biabra jokhum kurdigina under treatment jai thaka khobor pailu ase khobor huni pai thaka sabti mati laga dispute thaka garni inika bosti machete extent of ambush tak angena thaka pailu ase aro Kifri Milori district ki kunba villagers khan machete hamla ulagena violence hatsa report kri thaka opodi Deputy Chief Minister Y Patan awas uthai digina shanti anilo bole koi di shekili inika violence hatsa tu peaceful environment disturb kora ekla na hoigina communities machete bond unity phangi thaka an mite koi di ase aro violence hatsa hoigina victim under treatment rakhi thaka opodi Deputy Chief Minister Y Patan along with advisor and 60 Pungro Kifri MLA Sri S Kisumu advisor and 20 Nilori MLA Sri Nisutho Natho Nagaland DGP Rupin Sharma Home Commissioner aro Milori DC inika milaigina treatment loi thakya visit kridisha aro Deputy Chief Minister pi all party khan sobki peaceful restoration karni kam krubole koi digina situation to itia under control te rakhiloi thakya khobor pa sab viewers khange jonai dia ase